Physical therapy is essential to the hospital. We are the main driver of mobility. We want to make sure that patients can leave the hospital to go back to their home. Home is the best place to heal and recover. My name is Tony Lynn Gonzalez. I'm a physical therapist. I work for Texas Health, and we are in Fort Worth, Texas. As a physical therapist, when I arrive to work, I receive a list of patients that I'm responsible for the day. I go through the charts and I make sure that they are safe to mobilize. I make sure that I have the proper equipment. So I'm gonna grab a gait belt, some non-skid socks, and a walker to keep them safe. And then I will gradually help them get from out of bed to standing and hopefully walking and end up in a chair so that they can sit up for their meals and recover. I love being a physical therapist. I look forward every day to coming to work because I get to help someone every day. I make someone's life a little bit better every day.